Are you a student in Ireland and considering applying for a credit card? The Bank of Ireland Student Credit Card might seem like a good option, but before making a decision, it's crucial to understand the terms, advantages, and potential costs. First, let's look at the benefits. The Bank of Ireland Student Credit Card offers a low annual fee, which can be helpful for students trying to keep their expenses down. It also comes with an introductory interest rate on purchases, meaning you can buy what you need and pay it off with lower interest at the start. Additionally, the card can help you build your credit score early on, which is important for future financial decisions. However, there are also some downsides you need to be aware of. After the introductory period, the interest rate goes up, and it can be quite high if you're not careful with your payments. This card also has a fairly low credit limit, which might not be suitable for larger purchases. Additionally, if you miss a payment, late fees can quickly add up, and those can affect your credit score negatively. Now, let's talk about the services. The card gives you access to online banking, so you can track your spending in real time, and you'll receive fraud protection, which adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. There's also a reward system for certain purchases, though it's quite limited compared to other student cards. When it comes to costs, there's a low annual fee, but keep in mind the interest rate, which jumps after the introductory offer. If you're using this card frequently, you'll want to pay close attention to your balance to avoid high interest charges. In summary, the Bank of Ireland Student Credit Card has its advantages, such as helping you build credit and offering a low-cost way to manage your spending. However, the high interest rates and fees after the intro period are something to be mindful of. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found this information useful.